8 Best Survival Shovels in 2026. Whether you're bugging out or setting up base camp, a flimsy trowel just won't cut it. In 2026, survival shovels have evolved into high-tech multi-tools that can dig, saw, and even start fires. Today, we're counting down the 8 best survival shovels that are officially dominating the market this year. On number 8 is Zune Lotoo. The Zune Lotoo 18-in-1 tactical shovel is a beast of a multi-tool, engineered from high-carbon steel and aircraft-grade aluminum to handle the most brutal outdoor conditions. This military-grade folding spade features a unique 3-angle adjustable head, $30 $, $90 and $180 allowing it to function seamlessly as a hook, hoe, or traditional shovel. Beyond digging, the blade is sharp enough for chopping and sawing, while the hollow handle sections house essential survival gear like a fire starter, emergency whistle, screwdriver, and even a mini harpoon. Despite its heavy-duty, bomb-proof construction, the modular design remains remarkably compact and lightweight, making it an ideal peace of mind tool for your car's trunk or a bug-out bag. It even includes specialized features like a wire cutter and a camera mount, ensuring you're prepared for everything from clearing a trail to capturing the perfect wilderness shot. This is a premium choice for survivalists who prioritize durability and versatility in a single, high-performance package. On number 7 is Juvhot. The Juvhot 2026 new snow shovel is a versatile year-round workhorse designed to transition seamlessly from clearing winter ice to tackling summer garden chores. Featuring an extra-wide 11-inch flat alloy blade, this heavy-duty tool is specifically engineered for scraping flat surfaces, making it incredibly effective at removing stubborn ice from driveways or clearing mud and debris from garage floors. The telescopic handle is a standout feature, extending up to 60 inches to provide an ergonomic, back-saving experience for users of any height while maintaining a sturdy, wobble-free grip. Its multifunctional design allows it to serve as a garden spade, floor scraper, and emergency car shovel, making it a perfect fit for SUV and truck owners who need a reliable tool for any environment. The blade's sharpened edge is reinforced to handle compacted soil and roots just as easily as it chips away at thick ice, ensuring it doesn't just sit in the garage once the snow melts. Lightweight yet rugged at just under 3 pounds, it is easy to maneuver and quick to disassemble for compact storage in a trunk or shed. For anyone looking for a one-and-done utility tool that prioritizes leverage and efficiency, this scraper is a top-tier contender for 2026. On number 6 is Rhino. The Rhino USA folding survival shovel is a classic military-style entrenching tool refined for 2026 with a focus on bomb-proof reliability and portability. Forged from heavy-duty powder-coated carbon steel, this 2-pound beast features a sharp serrated saw edge on one side of the blade and a rugged pickaxe on the other, making it as effective at breaking through frozen ground as it is at sawing through roots. Its telescopic-style design extends to a full 23 inches for maximum leverage but collapses down to an incredibly compact 9 by 6 inches, allowing it to tuck away easily into its included heavy-duty carrying case. The reinforced triangular handle is ergonomically designed to provide a secure, comfortable grip that minimizes hand fatigue during grueling recovery tasks or camp setup. Unlike many generic options, Rhino USA offers a genuine lifetime warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in this shovel's ability to survive extreme off-road and survival conditions. Whether you are digging out a stuck 4x4 from deep mud or clearing a fire pit on a rocky ridge, its simple, fail-proof locking mechanism ensures the head stays exactly where you need it. This tool is a staple for minimalist adventurers who want a professional-grade recovery tool without the unnecessary bulk of a full-sized spade. On number 5 is Tyger Auto. The Tyger Auto TGSV8U3217 is a masterclass in survival engineering, blending military-grade solid carbon steel with aerospace-grade anodized aluminum to create a tool that is virtually indestructible. What sets this shovel apart for 2026 is its unique, patented instant switch slider mechanism, which allows you to pivot the head between modes in seconds without the tedious twisting required by most folding spades. This 16-in-1 powerhouse packs a comprehensive survival kit into its modular handle, featuring a fire starter, emergency whistle, screwdriver, ice pick, and even a wire cutter, alongside core functions like a hoe, saw, and axe. While it's heavy-duty enough to dig an SUV out of a deep rut or chop through thick kindling, it remains surprisingly portable, collapsing down to fit into a high-quality, compact tactical storage bag. The handle's ergonomic design and padded grip provide excellent control during high-impact tasks, ensuring you don't trade comfort for capability. Tyger Auto even offers an optional extension handle for those who need extra leverage for serious trenching or off-road recovery. Backed by a 1-year no-hassle warranty, this is the ultimate peace of mind tool for overlanders, preppers, and serious outdoor enthusiasts who refuse to settle for subpar gear. On number 4 is Sepro. The Sepro Tactical Shovel is a powerhouse survival system combining a high-carbon steel head with a rugged, integrated climbing axe designed for extreme impact. This 2026 kit uses 3CR13 stainless steel casting technology, ensuring the blade remains razor-sharp and rust-resistant whether you're chopping firewood or digging through rocky soil. The modular handle is highly customizable, offering 3 adjustable lengths for incredible leverage, while hiding a full arsenal of gear like a tactical knife, fire starter, and emergency whistle. Despite its massive 24-in-1 utility, the entire set collapses into a compact 10 by 7-inch carrying pouch, making it a perfect all-in-one addition to any car emergency kit. For the survivalist who refuses to carry multiple heavy tools, this Sepro combo offers a comprehensive, military-grade solution that covers everything from self-defense to camp construction. On number 3 is SOG. The SOG Entrenching tool is a field-proven classic, featuring a high-carbon steel construction that balances lightweight portability with 18.25 inches of heavy-duty digging power. This 2026 favorite utilizes a simple, reliable twist-lock mechanism that allows the head to pivot 90 degrees, instantly transforming the shovel into a high-leverage pick or hoe. The blade is uniquely engineered with a sharp, integrated wood saw edge on one side, making it just as effective at clearing thick roots as it is at digging out a stuck tire. When the job is done, the entire unit folds down to the size of its compact nylon carry case, ensuring it takes up minimal space in a backpack or vehicle emergency kit. For those who value the SOG tough reputation, this streamlined, no-nonsense tool is the gold standard for minimalist survivalists and off-roaders alike. On number 2 is Aircity. The Aircity 14-in-1 survival multi-tool is a masterclass in versatility, featuring a military-grade high-carbon steel shovel head and a detachable, heavy-duty axe blade. This 2026 kit is designed for maximum adaptability, with an adjustable handle made of aerospace-grade aluminum that allows you to shift from a compact hand tool to a full-leverage spade in seconds. Beyond digging and chopping, the modular handle houses essential survival gear including a tactical knife, magnesium fire starter, emergency whistle, and a screwdriver set. For the organized adventurer, the entire 14-function system arrives in a custom-molded, impact-resistant portable storage box, keeping your gear protected and easy to find in a trunk or backpack. Whether you are clearing a campsite or preparing for an emergency, this Aircity combo provides a professional, all-weather solution that replaces half a dozen bulky tools. On number 1 is WILDAIR. The WILDAIR 7-in-1 camping shovel is a compact, ultra-lightweight hand tool designed for minimalist hikers and outdoor enthusiasts who need maximum utility without the bulk. Forged from high-strength, rust-resistant alloy steel, this straight-handle spade integrates 7 essential functions including a sharp knife, saw, spearhead, bottle opener, nail puller, and a built-in ruler. A standout feature is the ergonomic handle wrapped in nearly 10 feet of heavy-duty paracord, which can be untied in emergency situations for lashing gear, fixing tents, or crafting traps. Unlike larger folding models, its solid body design eliminates weak points, making it a reliable choice for light digging, scaling fish, or clearing small brush. Weighing in at just under 1.5 pounds and arriving with a sleek tactical carrying pouch, it is the perfect just-in-case tool for a backpack side pocket or a glove box. Having the right tool can be the difference between a successful trek and a total disaster. Let me know in the comments which of these shovels you're adding to your 2026 survival kit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the toughest gear on the planet.